Hi everyone. Let's see today one more problem in triangles. In this problem, it is given that in triangle ABC, AD is a median and O is any point on AD. BO, CO on producing meet AC and AB at E and F respectively. And also AD is produced to X such that OD is equal to DX. So here one thing, it is given AD is median in triangle ABC. You know what median means? A median is a line which bisects its opposite side. That means here AD divides BC as BD is equal to DC. AD divides BC at D such that BD is equal to DC. That is one information. And another information we know, OD is equal to DX. By using this information, we have to prove two things. One is EF is parallel to BC. We have to prove that one thing, EF is parallel to BC. And other information, AO by AX is equal to AF by AB. Let's see how to prove these two. Now to prove these two, once observe in the figure, we have a quadrilateral OBXC. In triangle OBXC, OX is a diagonal and BC is another diagonal. OX is one diagonal and BC is another diagonal, and these two diagonals are intersecting at D. Once if you observe the given information, in the given information we know BD is equal to DC and other OD is equal to DX. So in quadrilateral OBXC, we know BD is equal to DC and OD is equal to DX. So these two are given in the information in the question. Now if you observe, just now we discussed, OB is equal to OD is equal to DX and BD is equal to DX. That means diagonals of a quadrilateral are bisecting each other. Let's write it in the solution. Diagonals of quadrilateral OBXC are bisected at D. So when in a quadrilateral, if diagonals bisect each other, it is a parallelogram. In a quadrilateral, if diagonals bisect each other, we can say that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So OBXC is also a parallelogram. When OBXC is a parallelogram, we know opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. So here what we can say, what are the opposite sides of the quadrilateral here? One is OB and XC and other pair OC and BX. So here what we can write, OC is parallel to BX because they are opposite sides of a parallelogram, they are parallel, and other OB is parallel to CX. So because it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, we wrote. Now take the triangle ACX. So now in triangle ACX, OB, we know OB is parallel to XC because OB is extended to E. When OB is parallel to XC, OE is also parallel to XC. In triangle ACX, we got OE is parallel to XC. So we know in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, that line divides other two sides in the same ratio by basic proportionality theorem. So by using that concept, here OE divides AX and AC in the same ratio. That is AO by OX is equal to AE by EC. This is equation 1. And we are writing this equation 1 by using basic proportionality theorem BPT. Take it as 1. Now in the similar way, let's take another triangle ABX. another triangle ABX. In triangle ABX, we know OF is parallel to BX. Why OF is parallel to BX? Because already we know OC is parallel to BX because OC is extended to F. So we can write OF is parallel to BX. So by using same basic proportionality theorem, here we can write AO by OX is equal to AF by FB. This is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, these two equations, AO by OX is same. AO by OX is same. So we can write AF by FB is equal to AE by EC. We got AF by FB is equal to AE by EC. Now once observe triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we have seen two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is AF by FB and AE by EC are equal. So what we can say? By converse of basic proportionality theorem, if two sides are divided in the same ratio by a line, then the line is parallel to third side. So we can say EF is parallel to BC by converse of basic proportionality theorem. So here we proved EF is parallel to BC. First thing is done. Now let's see how to prove second one. To prove second one, take the equation 2. From equation 2, we already know AO by OX. AO by OX is equal to AF by FB. Now we take invertendo. Invertendo means what? We will take both the sides inverses. That is AO by OX, we will write it as OX by OA is equal to FB by AF. Why we have to write like this? Because in required to prove, we want AO and AF. So AO and AF we need in the denominator. So now add 1 on both the sides. After adding 1 on both the sides, it will be OX by AO plus 1 is equal to FB by AF plus 1. Now we take the LCM, we get OX plus AO by AO is equal to FB plus AF by AF. Now observe OX plus AO is nothing but AX and FB plus AF is nothing but AB. So finally we got AX by AO is equal to AB by AF. Now again we take invertendo, we take inverses, then we get AO by AX is equal to AF by AB. So finally we got the second one also. So hence the problem is solved.